Down by the barn where the green grass grows, where the piglet snorts and the rooster crows. The sheep all dance in a woolly parade, and the cow joins in with a mooing serenade. Oh, the farm is alive with a joyful sound, where the kids and the critters all gather around. From sunrise bright to the setting sun, the farm is a place for endless fun. Chickens cluck as they peck at the seed, goats hop high with a bounding speed. The pony trots while the ducks take a dive. This farmyard's magic, it's all alive. The kids laugh loud as they run through the hay, hopping with the bunnies in a leaping ballet. The farm is a stage and the animals play, a show of life in a rural way. Oh, the farm is alive with a joyful sound, where the kids and the critters all gather around.